Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy in 1 month. First, you need to establish a clear, comprehensive study schedule for the next 4 weeks. Break down the vast amount of material into manageable daily and weekly goals. Prioritize the major anatomical systems, such as the skeletal and muscular systems, as they often form the foundation. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to active recall and consistent review to solidify your understanding. To truly master anatomy, incorporate effective study techniques. Visual aids are incredibly powerful. Use anatomical models, detailed diagrams, and even apps to see structures in 3 dimensions. Don't just look, actively practice drawing these structures yourself. This kinesthetic approach significantly enhances memory retention. Also, consider joining a study group. Discussing concepts with peers can clarify difficult topics and expose you to different perspectives. Choosing the right resources is crucial for efficient learning. Invest in high-quality textbooks known for their clear explanations and excellent illustrations. Supplement these with reliable online atlases that offer interactive views. Regularly test your knowledge by completing practice questions and self-assessment quizzes. This helps identify areas needing more attention. Flashcards are also invaluable for quickly memorizing the vast number of anatomical terms and definitions. As you approach the end of your month, dedicate the final week to consolidating all the material you've learned. Shift your focus from memorization to understanding the functional relationships between different anatomical structures and systems. This holistic view will deepen your comprehension. Remember to take short, regular breaks to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Also, for a more engaging study space, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.